And now we are tracking breaking news coming in from Paris Paralympics 2024. Indian shuttler Nitesh Kumar has clinched gold medal para badminton in SL3 category at the Paris Paralympics. Nitesh defeated Great Britain's Daniel Bethel in the final on Monday, and with this, India has secured its 9th medal at the Paris Paralympics. Earlier, Nitesh Kumar stormed into the final of the men's singles SL3 category as he defeated Fujihara Daisuke of Japan 21-16, 21-12. So here we have the 9th Paralympic medal coming from Paris. And to get more inputs on the story, we're now joined by DD India's Deepika Mehto. Nitesh Kumar here, joining the footsteps of Pramod Bhagat. Tell us about his journey.
Good evening, Tanvi. This is a great news for India when we talk about India's performance at the ongoing Paris Paralympics, because India has not only added its 9th medal on day 5 of Paris Paralympics, but it has also secured its yet another golden glory at the ongoing Paris Paralympics. And this time the glory has been achieved by Nitesh Kumar, who plays in SL3 para badminton category of Paris Paralympics. Interestingly, Tanvi, this is also Nitesh Kumar's maiden Paralympics event. He is a IIT Mandi graduate from India, and Mandi is from Himachal Pradesh, and he's an IIT graduate. And then he suffered through an accident, and and after that he made a superb comeback. He played para badminton, and then he eventually started practicing even more at the Asian Games. Also, he won a medal for himself, and now coming into the Paris Paralympics, he's registered his maiden victory, and that too with the golden glory at the Paris Paralympics in SL3 category. And earlier, before that, he defeated his Japanese opponent in straight sets, which was also not a very easy feat for him. Also, Nitesh is seeded at #1 position when we talk about at SL3 category at this particular event of Paris Paralympics in SL3 para badminton category, and he has finally succeeded it. We were talking to Gaurav Khanna also, who's a para badminton coach and also a Dronacharya awardee, and he was very confident that India will reach a double-digit mark in the sport of para badminton itself. And now we can see that happening, because many medals are coming in the evening. Also in the late evening, we are expecting IAS officer Suhas Yatiraj to play his gold medal match. He secured a medal in Tokyo Paralympics also, so the hopes are really high that he will also be able to add another and 10th medal to India's medal kitty at the ongoing Paris Paralympics. Tanvi.
Yes, great news there. Nitesh Kumar bringing golden glory from Paris Paralympics. Thank you very much, Deepika Mehto, for joining in with those updates.